Hello everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today, and we're talking about Alibaba's Investor Day. This was the second day of their presentation, and remember man, they dedicated a whole presentation to this, so you know this is one of their key investment strategies, and this is going to come as a huge Alibaba catalyst in the future, and people remember what it is, but people always forget what it is because it's undercovered, because it's not showing the signs that a lot of other companies are showing. And yes, we are talking about the cloud business, man. They dedicated a whole presentation to it. So let's get into it in this video, guys. But before we do, can you please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to be providing you with so much new content, man. So come on, please like it, subscribe, click it right now. Click it, click it, click it. So let's get into this. And this was their initial Investors Day presentation. Our strategic engines: China consumption, globalization, and technology. So when it comes to globalization and technology, this is where the cloud comes in. And we have to remember that globalization means that more people are going to start looking to cloud services to just get online, to get more services, get more avenues, get a better value proposition for their company. So we know how important the Alibaba cloud will be in the future. So here's gonna go. Cloud technologies drive digital transformation and growth. So right off the bat, they hit you over the head with digital transformation and growth. So when we're looking at this, they talk about the GDP growth of China. It was only 2.3%, and look at this. USA is negative 3.5%. And you would think that USA would be like 6-7% the way they talk about how bad China's economy is growing. But when you look at home, it's not growing as well. And US cloud market outlook, 25% from the last 3 years, and in 5 years ahead it's going to be 21%. But when you look at China, China's going to grow 42% from the last 3 years, and then 37% going out. And as you see this just shows you that how big China is going to be getting, and people are just going to need more IT services and software. And what Alibaba is doing is actually they're making their own chips as well. They're starting to make their own chips in all their cloud services. They understand how important that aspect of their business is instead of just buying it out. Look what they've done. They built a 128 core, 8-channel memory Alibaba cloud server. So they have an ARM processor, and they have an ARM v9 architecture, chip and server manufacturer. And you have to look about this. This is the future. The 5G hasn't really started. China Mobile is just starting their 5G technology. And with 5G technology, you're going to need servers, you're going to need more chips, you're going to need more data, you're going to need more artificial intelligence, and that's what Alibaba's all about. They had 12 billion in revenue, and think about that. They're still not making money on that, and they're only 5% of the whole Chinese economy, and they're leading it. That's the number one thing we have to realize. Alibaba Cloud is leading the way when it comes to the cloud market. Alibaba Cloud, 33.8% of the market. Huawei, 19.3%. Tencent Cloud, 18%. Others, 20%. And you have to remember, it's almost like Amazon AWS. Since Amazon AWS has a huge advantage over Microsoft, over Google Cloud, it started earlier than those companies. So it has a market leadership, and it's just hard to like kind of overcome that, because once you're in a market or in a cloud service, you're not going to want to switch unless they're doing something extremely better than what Amazon is going to provide. So it's hard to switch when you already have that market dominance, and when Amazon's already that dominant. So when you're looking at Alibaba, it's the number one e-commerce company according to GMV. We're just gonna want to come over to Alibaba Cloud because it already had that head start, and it's providing the most cloud services. They are investing the most in Alibaba Cloud at this point. They're investing all that hard-earned money into Alibaba Cloud, and you have to remember, they're not seeing profit right now, but eventually 5-10 years from now, they can actually slow that down as they build more scale, as they get more customers. So that's what we can see for the cloud and just how big it's gonna get. And we know just the cloud customers, like look at the cloud business customers of Alibaba Cloud. This is just gonna expand and expand. And this is what we're looking for. 50% growth of the cloud revenue 3-year CAGR, man. And that's what I'm saying. They're keeping the spending at the 19 spending of cloud because they are seeing more adaptation of cloud. They're going to be providing more services. So as we see the entertainment, gaming, e-commerce service get bigger, the cloud is going to get bigger. And when you think about it, like Amazon, the AWS is kind of almost like the star of Amazon. And I believe the cloud business of Alibaba is going to be the star of Alibaba soon. That's going to probably be the main driver of growth. It's only 5% of the China's like e-commerce cloud service providers, and that can grow into 10%, 20% as long as more people need IT, need artificial intelligence, need more data servers, need more data. That's just going to grow with it. So I feel like this is a huge, huge opportunity, and they just present this all in this investor presentation. They held a whole presentation on just this. Alibaba is a global leader in cloud markets, #1 in China, #1 in Asia, and top 3 globally. So we can just end it on that. That's how I see this 5-year, 10-year Alibaba price average. It has to be around like $1,000, and I'm gonna put money on that. Guys, if you like this video, like it, subscribe to this channel, and I get back to you in the next video. Peace.